Hello everybody! Welcome to my new video. This is Laura, and this week I'd like to show you how to make this lovely pair of stud earrings. They are inspired in this video, by the way, just in case you're curious. They are very easy to make, even if you've never sewn seed beads. Come on, grab your supplies and let's get started. You can use the thread you like the most, but I recommend you to use the transparent one, like the fishing thread. Cut 45 centimeters of thread and insert 4 seed beads on a needle. As the thread is coming from the top, introduce the needle from the bottom to the top through the 2 first seed beads. You will have something similar to a square. Here it is. Notice you have to leave the thread coming from that bead on the left. So don't turn it around. Insert 2 more seed beads and go through the top seed bead you have on the right, only through the first one. Now come through the 2 top seed beads on the left. It's easy peasy, isn't it? Let's repeat. Insert 2 seed beads and go through the top seed bead on the right. Now you have to go through the next 2 seed beads on the left. One more time. Insert 2 seed bead on your needle and go through the top seed bead on the right. And now come through the 2 seed beads on the left. To be honest, this is the most difficult movement for me. I'm too right-handed. How is that even possible? Well, I am, I'm afraid. Remember, you have to tighten the thread very well all the time to make this piece super strong. It's always the same, but just in case you didn't get it, let's do it one more time. Insert 2 seed beads and go through the top seed bead on the right. Now go through the 2 seed beads on the left. Basically, all you have to do is to repeat all this as many times as you need to cover all around the pearl. So just check it very often to make it perfect. Just to guide you, I needed 2.5 centimeters to cover my 5mm pearl. When you have it, fold it like this and go through the 2 seed beads you have on the tail, the ones right in front of the 2 beads where the thread is coming from. Now you have to move to the second row. Introduce your needle through the 2 seed beads you have next, and 2 more on the other tail, the other side of the piece. We are just closing the circle by joining both sides. Is that easy? Now go all around the circle. Try not to skip any bead or you will lose that circular shape. Just do it bit by bit, because there's no need to rush. Another option is to make a knot, but in my opinion looks terrible because you can see the thread. As I always say, the choice is yours, so make whatever is easier for you. So, when you are done and you feel it strong, insert 1 pearl and come through the bead you feel more natural. It's gonna be in front of the bead that the thread is coming from. Now push out the pearl, just a little bit, and curl through it. Just once again, passing your needle through that hole to the other side. And to close it, remember you have two options. You can go all around the circle again to tie it. Maybe you can just go around twice, or you can also make a knot, but remember it could be visible and mess your work. Once you're done, just cut the excessive thread. Here you can see the difference between white thread and the transparent one. As you can see, the freezing thread is invisible. File your earring base a little bit to make it irregular, and use some glue to join it to the pearl. That's it, the earring is done. Remember, you need to make a second earring because you have 2 ears. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry. Hit the bell to be notified every time I'll post new videos. Hope to see you in my next tutorial, but until then, remember, stay beautiful, smile, and be very, very, very happy.